Traders, in this video, I'm going to show you the trading strategy that made me $1,100, almost $1,200 on Thursday, but it also made me $4,400 so far in the month of February. This is a strategy we've been working on for years, and it's only gotten better. So I'm going to show you the trade that netted me $1,100 today. I'm going to show you how we could make money on that going forward so you can hopefully learn from this video and not miss the move next time it presents. But before we get into any of that, just in a few days, March 8th, I've got a free webinar coming up. We're going to talk about how Evan made $10,000 in real money, not prop firm sim money, in real money in 30 days. We're going to talk about some of the biggest tips that he and I have for taking payouts in 2025. There's a link in the description. There's a link in my bio. We have it everywhere. Make sure you sign up. It's totally free. And if you sign up, we're going to send you a recording. So there's no reason for you not to sign up. Like, you don't have to be there to still get the information. But if you show up live, we're going to be doing giveaways and fun stuff like that. So back to the $1,100 day on Thursday, the $4,400 month so far this month of February. It all comes from this, everybody. Futures 2.0. Now, this is the follow-up to Futures 101. Futures 101 is free. You don't even have to put your name or email, credit card, social security, nothing. Just watch it for free. This will intro the strategy for you. We talk about the 2-candle rule. We talk about take profit stop loss. We talk about entry process, all of that. But the deep dive, the detailed deep dive is here in Futures 2.0. Now, all of this is hosted on ASFX TV, where we do our live streams. You can see here's our live streams for next week, and you can see here's the 2 courses plus recordings of all the live streams too. We want you to dive deep specifically into chapter 10 here called the VWAP Bounce. This chapter is going to show you exactly how to take this trade. Look at that beautiful sell entry off the New York VWAP. Now, before we get into the trade on Thursday that made me $1,200, this is the trade here. That little move, I missed the whole move down 22 points. That little move, almost $1,500. Can't hate that, right? I know a lot of you want that. So here's the sell-off at the open on Thursday. You guys remember this massive 43-point move down. You could have been in that, but I don't think anybody that trades the way that I do would catch that whole move. It was unprecedented. We didn't see it coming. We didn't know why it was happening, but it did. So instead of FOMOing in and chasing and chasing and chasing, which today maybe chasing made you money, but we know long-term it does not, the better play was to be in the retest to the New York VWAP here, like I did. So we break hard. Sellers take control. We pull back. Buyers can't take control. Sellers still here. One more chance, buddy. Buyers are not fully in yet. If you want to still see that leg down, which we know it can happen, there's your opportunity. And I took it. So I got a great entry here. Quickly, we get on the other side of the VWAP. The stop loss was only 10 points because if this continued higher towards opening range low, the line here, that would have been bad. So I don't want that. Quickly into profit. And I closed it right here because we hit that low a day VWAP that we know can be a higher low. And I also had coaching calls at 10:45. So I was like, good. 4 or 5 minutes, almost $2,000, $1,500. I will take that every day. Every day. I could have trailed, but I had coaching calls. So if I don't have coaching calls, I'll trail. But in this example, not doing that. Take it. See you later. This is the essence of what I want to show you here. Big move down, 47 points in total. Pin low here, circled with the yellow circle. 50% pullback, 47 divided by 2. The 25-point pullback to the pin high right here at my entry is almost a 50% retracement of this move down. We know that usually is a good place to look for slowing. So the fact that the New York VWAP, the blue line, is right at that 50% retracement, that's what got me looking for this short. Stop near opening range low. First target is low of day VWAP. Some people even got short on the low of day VWAP break, which is another trade that we teach. It's more of a scalpy trade. That trade comes in chapter 11, 12, and 13. You'll see the VWAP break in 8 and 9, but you'll see it confirmed in 11, 12, and 13. You can tell the whole point of me doing this video is I want you guys to please go watch Futures 2.0. You will not regret it. I mean, if you just search Trustpilot with ASFX, there's a reason we've got 310 5-star reviews. Like, look at that, 4.8. There's a reason. It's this course. It's our live streams. So come check it out. The last thing I'll show you, even later in the day, here's my trade on the left side over here. Even later in the day, using the fact that buyers can't take control above New York VWAP, you can scalp this. 7-point stop, 8 points to the bottom. See ya. This was my trade. So look at that. Out of this whole day, I caught that little thing and I made almost $2,000, $1,500, right? So you don't have to catch the whole move ever, but this strategy puts you in a position to catch a good chunk of the move. The VWAP bounce trades after big pullbacks, they put you in a really good position to sell high and be able to get out of that thing as it moves lower, right? We sold it here as it moved higher to get a better sell price rather than selling it here. We could have sold it here, But if we had to hold through that drawdown just to get a little bit of profit, that's not a great trade. This is the better trade. So I want you guys to take the course, take Futures 101 if you haven't already. I'll link all that below, and then tune into the live streams. We got a free trial. Come stream with us. Come see these trades being taken live so you can learn from it. That's the main thing I want to show you guys, is that we are calling these trades live on stream. We aren't just saying, hey, go buy a course. Good luck. Watch the course so you understand what we're talking about, and then leave it. Come trade with us. Let me show you me taking the same trades you saw in Futures 101 and Futures 2.0 here on stream every day on ASFX TV. Other than that, get your ass on the webinar. There's a link below to sign up for that as well. No, we don't need FaceTime. We need this. We need you guys on here. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you check out the link below. I've got the webinar sign up. I've got everything you need in the description to this video or at the link in my bio on social. But that's how you rock the VWAP Bounce Strategy and make $1,100 in like 6 minutes, $1,200 in 6 minutes. So good luck, everybody. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you on the webinar on March 8th.